Look, if people ignore you, talk over you, or don't take you seriously, this video is for you. Because respect is not about being loud. It's not about being aggressive. And it's definitely not about trying to impress people. The most respected people in the room don't chase attention. Attention follows them. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build real respect, the kind that makes people listen when you speak and think twice before crossing you. Let's get into it. 1. Here's the uncomfortable truth. If you don't respect yourself, nobody else will. People treat you the way you allow yourself to be treated. If you accept disrespect, laugh off insults, break promises to yourself, you are training people how to see you. Self-respect shows up in small things: showing up on time, keeping your word, taking care of your body and mind, saying no without guilt. When you respect yourself, something changes. Your posture changes. Your tone changes. Your energy changes. And people feel that immediately. 2. This is where most people mess up. They want to be liked more than they want to be respected. But here's the reality. People who try too hard to be liked are rarely respected. Why? Because approval seeking looks like weakness. Always agreeing, always apologizing, always explaining yourself. That tells people you don't stand on anything. Respect comes from having standards. You can be polite and still say no. You can be kind and still disagree. You can be calm and still be firm. The moment you stop chasing approval, people start respecting your presence. 3. Notice this. The most respected person in the room is usually not the loudest. They don't talk just to fill silence. They don't over-explain. They don't ramble. They speak with intention. Silence is confidence. Pauses are power. When you slow down your speech and choose your words carefully, people lean in. Remember this: your words carry weight when you don't waste them. 4. Let's be clear. Boundaries are not rude. They are necessary. If you don't set boundaries, people will cross them. If you don't protect your time, people will waste it. And here's the key rule. A boundary without consequences is just a suggestion. If someone disrespects you and nothing happens, you just taught them it's okay. Respect comes from consistency, not anger, not yelling, not threats. Calm, clear, firm. You don't need to explain your boundaries. You need to enforce them. 5. Want instant credibility? Do what you say you'll do. That's it. People respect reliability more than talent, more than confidence, more than charisma. If you mess up, own it. If you're late, acknowledge it. If you're wrong, say it. Excuses destroy respect. Ownership builds it. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be accountable. 6. Here's a secret. People who can't control their emotions are easy to control. If you explode when criticized, you look weak. If you stay calm under pressure, you look powerful. This doesn't mean suppressing emotions. It means choosing your response. Pause. Breathe. Respond. Don't react. The person who stays composed automatically gains respect. 7. To be respected, you must give respect. Listen. Don't interrupt. Acknowledge other viewpoints. But never abandon your values to keep the peace. Respect is mutual, not submission. You can respect others and still stand firm. That balance? That's maturity. And maturity commands respect. Let me end with this. Respect isn't demanded. It's demonstrated. Every boundary you hold, every promise you keep, every calm reaction you choose, you are teaching people how to treat you. So ask yourself, what standard am I setting? Because when you live with integrity, confidence, and consistency, respect follows. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. I'll see you in the next one.